Hey guys, this is a quick video of my weekly analysis. Before we dive into the charts, I want to say that these videos are not meant as a signal service and I do not advise to take any of my trades. These videos are just made because I want to let you see what real trading looks like and that trading can actually be boring. I've got two pairs on my watch list, so let's dive into the charts. We start with the weekly chart. This is my higher time frame because I just want to get a perspective of what the market is doing and what we can expect it to do next. So this is just a prediction I use to underline my analysis. So we see a push down with low and higher lows. So we could see a move down into the previous support area and then from there on we bounce back. So this my prediction is pretty bearish on the weekly chart. So let's go down into the daily chart to get our overall analysis done. The first thing I need on the daily chart is a trend. Because I'm a trend trader, I obviously need a trend. So the trend, we've got the trend, we've got low and high lows. The second thing I see on this chart is a nice trend line. And we also hit the trend line with a doji candle and deceleration. So we can take in consideration the trend line and the doji. The deceleration I do not take in consideration on my analysis. Maybe in the future, but I just need to test that. Because if you don't test it, you're doomed to fail. So the things I take in consideration are the 50 EMA, the 100 EMA and the RSI. And for the RSI I look for an oversold condition, an overbought condition and an RSI divergence. And we just want to touch the 50 or the 100 EMA, but those are all not taken in consideration because they didn't happen. So what we do take in consideration is a Fibonacci level, and we actually got a 50 EMA or 50 Fibonacci level. So Fibonacci. I'm so bad in spelling. So there you go. So this could be a nice trading opportunity, but my trading strategy is based on points, and I use for the trend I use 2 points or 4 points. For trend line I use 2 points, doji I need use 2 points, and Fibonacci I use 2 points. This is in results. This results into 10 points in total. And my trading strategy is based on a minimum of 10 points. So I need 10 points to see if I can get into a market and sell or buy the market. So we are seeing this market with this doji candle. If we get a lower close, I take the trade into and sell off the market. For the targets, I look at the next previous support area. That's this one. It has to be touched directly, as you can see. So this is a nice target level. So if we get a lower close, we sell off the market into this level. Let's wait and see. So guys, for the New Zealand dollar, US dollar, we are seeing a bearish trend. But for this one, it's different because we see a touch of the previous support area, which could act as support. So you can be a little cautious here. But let's see what the daily charts look like and saying to us. So we have a bearish trend, what we need in order to take a trading position. Oh, I'm sorry. So trend 4 points. Next thing I see is this trend line. It's almost identical to the previous opportunity. We've got a trend line. It's 2 points. For this one, it's different because we've pushed lower than the previous low. So this is our previous impulse leg. We've got a retracement up and push lower. So this is our previous outside return. And we see that the market is pushing and touching the previous support area. This also counts as 2 points. Support, 2 points. So this is, for now, this is 8 points in total. So we need another point, and that's where we use the RSI divergence here. You're seeing lower lows on the chart and higher lows of higher highs on the RSI. So this means we've got RSI divergence. It's also 2 points. This results in also 10 points. It's not a very strong signal, but it's a signal I can take advantage of. So if the market is pushing lower and we get a lower close, I can look to sell. We also look for targets at the previous support. So we're scrolling back. Here we've got the previous support close. We always look at closing levels. So it's a little bit lower than the support touched previously. So if we get a lower close on this chart, I'm looking to sell off into this level.